Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make your WordPress to be SEO friendly. So for you to make your WordPress website to be SEO friendly. So to this now, there are some settings which you need to apply on your dashboard on your WordPress backend. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video, you can be able to be notified for that. So the first step is that you need to log in into your WordPress backend, into your WordPress admin. So if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to drop a video above this one, so you just click on it and you know how you can be able to go to your WordPress backend if you are a totally beginner. So but if you are not, then you know how to do that. So the first step which you need to do, you need to come to settings. So you come to settings, and on this general setting, so this site title, make sure that this site is your title, like is the title of your website. So make sure that this site is the title of your website, this site title. So this tagline needs to carry your keyword. Let me say that you are in a scholarship niche, right? So there are other sites, there are other websites that you need to check their keywords, the description, because once your Google have been indexed, once your site has been indexed on Google, so this tagline is like a description when someone type in your website on Google. So this tagline needs to carry your keyword for you to be able to rank higher. So for you to be able to do that, you just check your competitors, check the keyword that they are using on the description, then you do some changes and apply it to yours. So the second one is this reading option. So this reading option, you need to scroll down and make sure that this box here is not checked, because this is going to discourage search engine from indexing this site. As you can see, this is going to discourage Google for them to not to be able to index this site. So make sure that you leave it like this, so don't check this box. So the third one is this permalinks. So you need to make sure that this links bears your post name. So once this link bears your post name, it will be URL friendly for you to be able. I prefer this one than others ones, than this one to carry your dates, months. No, just make it to be simple and nice, which is your post name. You can also customize it to anyone that you want, but make sure that this one is in your post name, which is this permalink structure. So this is the structure of your URL, how you want your URL to appear. So the fourth one is you need to install a plugin. So there are plugins that can help you in getting, like in making Google to notice your site, so for your site to be able to rank. But you need to install some plugins. So there are three. I'm going to recommend three SEO plugins for you. Number one is Yoast SEO. So number one is Yoast SEO. So this Yoast SEO, you can install it here. So this is the plugin here, you can install it here. They have free version, they also have paid version. So if you need to go to the paid version, then it's less for you, but you can, this free version can give you what you want. So the second one is Rank Math. So this one is Rank Math. So this one has a lot of features. So they have a lot of features. They also have instant indexing from Google. So you can also try it out, and for you to be able to index your site. So the third one is all-in-one SEO. So all-in-one SEO. So this is it here, all-in-one SEO. So this is it here, all-in-one SEO. So make sure that any of these plugins is being installed. Just one, I'm not saying two, one is being installed on your website. So the third one is you need to use theme friendly, like a good theme, the structure of the theme. So you just need to use a very good theme. I'm not saying a theme that will be very yes, you can use a theme that is very okay, good and nice, but make sure that anything that you wanted to install on your site, make sure that you check the features of those themes, and then you know the one which is good for you. So I'm going to be dropping a link on the description below for you to be able to check the kind of theme that is going to be explaining the kind of theme that you can be able to install on your website for it to be able to be ranking on Google. This theme is mobile friendly, and any Google love websites that are mobile friendly. So if your website is a good website, but it does not have mobile friendly, so your website is not mobile friendly, just forget about it, your site to be ranking, because most of people using the internet, they use their mobile to browse. So once your website is mobile friendly, then you have a good chances of ranking. So the third one is for you to be able to go to Google search console, and then you add your website here, then that is it. But in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so that you can be able to get a notification whenever I release a new video. See you in my next video.